Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to install the Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. Today, we'll be working with the 60-inch model. The first thing you need to do is to test your fireplace. Simply plug it into a wall and make sure everything is operating properly. Our next step will be to remove our trim. The trim is held to the fireplace by two screws, one on the left, one on the right. Simply remove those and set it aside for now. With the screws removed, you can simply pull off the trim and set it to the side. Our next step will be to turn each of our framing brackets 180 degrees. The framing brackets are located 2 on the top and 2 on each side. You will repeat this process for the remaining 5 brackets. Now, with each bracket turned 180 degrees, your next step will be to bend each bracket up at a 90-degree angle. Once each bracket is bent up 90 degrees, you can install your fireplace into your framing. Now that the fireplace has been installed, our next step will be to plug it in. From there, we'll need to install the media. In order to do that, we'll need to remove the glass. That can be done by unscrewing the bracket that is found in the top middle of the fireplace. Once unscrewed, you twist that bracket around, latch onto the glass, and simply pull it out. The next step is to install our media. This fireplace comes with multiple different types of media. We've got some acrylic glass here. With the acrylic media in place, let's put the glass stones in. With our media in place, we can now install our glass. The glass is reinstalled by putting the bottom part in the existing channel and pushing the glass up and reattaching the bracket. With the glass installed, our final step will be to replace the trim. With the trim in place, the last step is to reinstall the 2 screws that hold the top part of the trim in. And that is everything you need to know about installing your Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.